pedih yang telah kita bagi, layaknya luka yang telah terobati. Bila kita jatuh nanti, tak siap untuk melompat lebih tinggi. Bersama kita bagai hutan dan hujan. Aku ada karena kau telah tercipta.
Petik bintang untuk kau simpan, cahayanya tenang, berikan kau perlindungan sebagai pengingat teman, juga sebagai jawaban semua tantangan. Ku petik bintang untuk kau simpan, cahayanya terang, berikan kau perlindungan sebagai pengingat teman, juga sebagai jawaban semua tantangan. Sebelum waktu memisahkan detikku-detikmu, sebelum dewasa menua memisahkan kita, teguhkan jantung kita akan selalu seirama. Bila kau rindu aku petik bintang untuk kau simpan, cahayanya tenang, berikan kau perlindungan sebagai pengingat teman, juga sebagai jawaban semua tantangan. Ku petik bintang untuk kau simpan, cahayanya tenang, berikan kau perlindungan sebagai pengingat teman, juga sebagai jawaban semua tantangan. Semua tantangan.
Jakarta Moving All Stars. Hi guys. Wow. In sync. Wow.
We get to be part of the members.
Yeah.
We're not in tone.
Welcome first of all. So that was the performance from Jakarta Moving All Stars, one of the biggest musical theater communities in Jakarta that has produced some of the most amazing sold-out shows. Wow.
That
Congratulations,
is
guys.
right. And promoting their upcoming sold-out show, Interaksi, which will be held next month. Please welcome once again the Jakarta Moving All Stars. Good morning once again, guys. Thank you so much for joining us here in the studio.
Yeah.
Now, maybe to start with, can you please introduce yourselves, all the team members, and your roles?
Okay. Hello, everyone. We are Jakarta Moving All Stars. Basically, we are gathered from batch 1 to batch 5 Jakarta Moving production, like from Cek Toko Sebelah, from Musikal Petualangan Sherina, Gemuruh, dan Musikal Sekolahan.
I see.
That's all.
Okay. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes,
Who
I
are
want to
the
know your
members?
names.
Yeah. My name is Nisa Haryanti, and then this is
Hi, I'm Katya.
Halo, aku Barli.
Barli,
Hai, I'm Ranu.
Hi, Rano.
I'm Annette.
Hi, Anne.
Konita, Uyo,
Hi, I'm Alia.
Alia,
My name is Manu.
Manu,
And Randif.
Hello, guys. All right. Now, could you tell us more about the concept of Jakarta Moving All Stars?
Okay, we're actually a musical theater community, but we are trying to approach Indonesian pop culture through our productions and songs. And through this format, the Jakarta Moving All Stars, we are trying to connect with that. And yeah, we just released an EP of 5 legendary
Wow,
songs covered
exciting.
by us.
Oh yeah.
Please do check in.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wow. So you guys were established 10 years ago in
Yes.
2014. Congratulations, 10 years,
Yeah.
1 decade, and many more to come. And you are known for producing spectacular music production, including Musikal Petualangan Sherina, which you've mentioned. So tell us more a little bit about the behind the scenes and the process of what goes on when the cameras are not around.
Okay, so who's gonna explain it?
Who's gonna do it?
When the camera's not around.
Oh, okay. Maybe from our left side.
So what happens off the stage?
Yes,
Yeah.
behind the scenes.
Well, behind the stage, well, of course, first and foremost, we have to, well, we do try to consistently do this every year, right?
Okay.
We try to make it annual. So, of course, first things first, we always try to do auditions or castings so that we're always open to new members. We always try to find new talents out there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many members do you have now?
Oh, whoa.
So,
Whoa.
that's
Too many accounts.
Too many.
Yeah, alumni. Oh, okay. So do you guys get do some annual gatherings or what?
We just hang out
sort of.
Hang out
on our
regularly.
headquarters.
And how many batches are there?
Now 6. Now.
Now is 6
the
over the
production
course of 10
musical.
years.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
Yep.
see. Okay.
Okay. Now speaking of musical production, I know there's a lot of things going on. You have to have the commitment as well. Now, could you tell us more about this because this is a group work. This is a teamwork, and it has to have that, you know, the commitment of these individuals to coming together.
Okay. Anyone?
Who's
Yes,
gonna?
Here?
Actually, about this commitment, I mean, like, we're gathered here because we love to sing, we love to dance and act, and this is the community that I think can provide all of that. And I think we don't have to make them to commit to attend the rehearsal or everything because we all love it too.
You love it.
Yes, of course. We always miss rehearsal. So yeah,
Really?
we constantly
So
go
it
to
comes
it.
from within.
It's come from within.
That's lovely.
I mean, I wish I had that.
That level
Really
of
good,
commitment.
guys. Yes, that's so inspiring. And for the storyline and choreography itself, who's in charge of that?
Okay, we have Dimas Praditya and Imashka Arto as our
Okay.
choreographers, and Nuya as our director. But recently, more creative roles are open for senior members. For example, Barli directed shows, projects. Also Randif.
Wow.
She also
amazing.
choreographed few shows and projects, and also Ranu is our vocal director.
I see. So, could you tell me how do I need to improve? What do I need to improve to, you know,
As
to
long as
sing?
you're left to sing,
Yeah.
that's okay.
The key is
Okay.
passion.
That
Hard.
passion
Is passion is
in,
right.
in karaoke?
Maybe.
It starts from there.
Okay. Okay. Now, speaking of musical, this is for us Indonesian. This is a maybe like a foreign culture. How do you make sure to integrate it with our culture, and how do you make it very Indonesian?
Well,
Interesting.
You have the loudest so I think definitely something to say there.
well, it is a tricky thing when you try to introduce something that's not really of us. So throughout the years, we've been trying so many things, so different approaches.
Oh yeah.
We try to, like for our first project is about sekolahan gitu. We try to make it as reasonable as relatable as possible.
Okay.
We've also talked about unity and diversity in our second project. Everything that we do, we try to make it at least in some way relatable to Indonesians.
I see.
Yeah.
Does it have to be pop culture, or do you somehow integrate, you know, like the root cultural stuff, like, you know, wayang or anything?
We do a little bit of everything, I guess.
Yeah?
Well, we've done the pop culture thing because of course, pop culture is easier to get more reach, but doesn't mean we forget our roots. For
Yeah.
example, a year ago,
Yeah.
A year ago, we took a lot of cultural elements in Sembilan Sembilu, in the music and the Story, of course, it's based on a true story from Kendeng.
Kendeng?
Kendeng.
What is Kendeng?
Women is Kendeng.
It's
It's an area in
it's an area in
Oh,
Central Java.
Central
I
Java.
see.
I almost said
Okay.
Middle Java, but that sounds weird.
Okay, originated from that area.
Yeah, so
Okay.
we never forget our roots.
Ah,
We never
that's
forget
nice.
we're Indonesian
I like
still.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Now, okay, can you talk more about your upcoming shows and what to expect there?
Up.
Your upcoming shows.
Interaksi?
Interaksi.
Yes, it's next month.
Yes, August.
It's gonna be on next
August,
month.
yes.
Yeah, August. Yeah, it is a special show for us because first of all, it is our 10th anniversary.
Yes.
Hooray! Yeah, so we're doing something special for this year because Interaksi will be our first jukebox musical.
Wow. Okay, what does it mean? Jukebox
A
musical?
jukebox music. Well, to simply put, it's a musical based on, how do you say, a catalog of songs originally made by, let's say, a band or a musician, or in this case, Tulus.
Tulus. So Tulus only.
Yeah.
So everything
songs.
is from.
Yeah.
Wow.
All
Okay.
his songs, we try to create
Story.
a story from it,
Adapted.
adapted from his original songs. So it's gonna be,
Nice. Will he be there?
well, I mean, yes.
Stay tuned.
Stay
I'll
tuned.
build around him. Do you guys find it hard to work in a large group? Yeah, I'll take that as a yes.
We are all so loud.
Very loud.
Not just a lot, but loud. But the thing is, because as I said before, we love to be together. And if you're asking about how we rehearse vocally or how we rehearse our choreography, it's all good. It's all easy.
Really? And for you, it's easy. For me, I don't think so.
For us, but what hard is to managing our schedule. Because everybody has their own agenda.
Wow,
And
okay.
there are a lot of us. And yeah, we just have to make everything work out. So yeah, managing the schedule is, I
So
think,
how often do you guys get together?
if we are in a big production like in Taxi, maybe like 4 to 5 times a week.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so it is a commitment.
It is a commitment.
Okay. And could you talk more about the audition? If there are people out there who really wants to join you guys, how can they do that?
Actually, the audition, we always open auditions for the production, for big productions. But yeah, you can see the information through our Instagram.
Okay.
So yeah, but yeah, you have to be like, one thing for sure, you have to be able to like singing, dancing, or acting.
Oh, okay. I have all of those.
Yes,
so
she can.
I'm gonna do
You're
it.
welcome to audition.
Many talents. Well, I heard your Interaksi show is sold out. Congratulations. 10 years. I'm sure it'll be an amazing production. But since we're here now, we get a little glimpse of a little taste of your performance because sold out show we won't get to see, but you folks at home can witness them here today for a second performance of the morning.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so let's just give it up for Jakarta Moving All Stars.
Congrats, guys.